Hi, and welcome to OwnerRez. OwnerRez makes it easy and convenient to offer your guests travel insurance. Travel insurance is a contract between the guest and the insurance company. Billing, payments, and any claims made by your guests will be handled directly by the insurance company. If the guest contacts you about a claim, simply refer them to the contact information on their policy, or, if necessary, to OwnerRez. To configure travel insurance in your OwnerRez account, select Settings on the bottom far left of your menu bar. Navigate down to Financial and select Travel Insurance. On the travel insurance page, you'll see a list of all of your properties. By default, travel insurance is enabled on your account. This means the guest will have the option of purchasing travel insurance for their stay during the checkout process. There are also some helpful links below that go into more detail about our travel insurance providers. If you click on the Change button above, you will have the option of disabling or enabling travel insurance for your guests for each of your properties. If you choose disabled, travel insurance will be turned off completely and nothing is ever shown or offered to the guest. If you select enabled, an option to buy travel insurance will be shown on the quote. It won't be pre-selected, but the guest can select it if they choose. Once you're done making your selections, select Save. If you have chosen to enable the travel insurance option, guests booking directly will have it presented to them as part of the booking checkout process. Let's take a look at that process now. When you send a quote to a potential guest inside of OwnerRez, they'll be sent a link to a payment form that looks just like this. First, they'll be prompted to enter in their contact information here, and then when the guest reaches the travel insurance portion of the checkout form, they'll be presented with two different options depending on their eligibility. They will also see a More Information drop-down link here that has detailed information about each travel insurance policy. If they choose one of the travel insurance options available, when they select Save, the booking total and breakdown on the bottom right will automatically update to reflect the additional charge. You can find answers to many common issues and questions at ownerrez.com/support. When you're ready to continue on to the next step in the setup checklist, be sure to watch our video, Damage Protection Insurance. Thanks for choosing OwnerRez.